Jig Saw model number JS012. Jig saw machine are widely used in woodworking industrial in each market. This machine is variable speed from 1 to 5 gear for different speed demands. At the same time, customers can press the dial button from 1 to 3 gear for different saw angles. Blade can be installed easily because of its quickly change chuck function. The most important point is that this model has LED light, so workers can cut wood more accurately. Any other questions about our products? Welcome to call us.